Hi everyone. So this video will be in English. I am going to explain about phasing in Revit. This will include basic understanding about existing plan, new construction plan, and most importantly demolition plan. So I have a simple building plan example here. Let's say we have a simple building like this with the room on the south side. But then on the new construction, we want to have the room on the north side instead. So to help the contractor to have a good understanding about our plan, we will need 3 plan views that show 3 different activities, which is the existing building, the demolition, and then the new construction or the final product. So in the existing phase, we have an existing building that was built in the past, but we can call it as a new construction to phase existing, since it was being built in the existing phase. And in the new construction phase, we have 2 activities, which is demolition and new construction. So we basically only need 2 phase, existing phase and new construction phase. Some Revit users would have demolition phase, which is I don't think it's necessary. Sometimes it even makes the project more confusing. That's why I tend to use only 2 phase, the existing and new construction, like how Revit has it as a default. Now I'm going to show you how are we going to make the plan views for each phase. Right now I'm in a blank project. It's empty, nothing here yet. I only have level 1 for floor plans. So I'm going to make 3 plan views: existing, demolition, and new. I'm just going to copy this level 1. I'm going to rename it existing. Demolition plan. And new construction plan. Okay, first we're going to open the existing plan. So as a default, when we open a plan view, Revit will set the facing here. When we click outside here somewhere and we go to under our property palettes, our property panel, we have a facing here, a facing information. Usually Revit will put the face as a new construction and the face filter as show all. We can change this guys right here, depend on our needs. Now I'm going to start drawing an object, which is a wall right now. But before we draw an object, I suggest you to always, every time you want to draw an object in a view, make sure that your current view setting is set to the face where you want your object to be created. This way Revit will understand where your project will be in the timeline and automatically put the information under the object property panel. So let's say right now we are on the existing plan and we are going to make an existing wall. I'm going to go here and make sure we are on the face where we want our wall to be created. So this face, I'm going to change it to existing. Those elevation symbols were gone because they might be showing a new construction phase. So let's just draw the wall. So when we do this wall, when the view settings is set to existing, so Revit will record this wall as created in existing phase. So when we click on this and we come to check the property panel, this will show the property of the object. It says the face created is existing, and the face demolished is none, because this is how the Revit put it as a default. Now our plan is to keep this perimeter wall of the building, but we're going to demolish this one and also the door. So after I click this, check the property panel. You can do it one by one, or you can do it like you can select these two objects and just change this. It was created in phase existing, but demolished, we will change it to new construction. Okay, this still shown because we are not on the new construction plan yet. Now let's go to a new construction plan. Okay, under new construction plan, we were going to play with these settings right here on the left bottom corner. So we want this view to be under a new construction phase, which is correct already. But on our phase filter, we want to have it new. We don't want to see our demolition objects here. So I'm just going to make a show complete, and then we're going to create our new wall. Like what I said before, if you want to make an object, make sure that our current view setting is set to the face where we want our object to be created. So yeah, this is already a new construction. Under new construction, yeah, this is a good habit, because we could make new construction objects under our existing plan, but then we have to make our adjustment later. That way is not a good practice, because you can make many mistakes and you probably get confused later. Now let's put a door here. Now, as a default, Revit always put us here in terms of face filter. Revit always put us on a show all as a default. So I'm going to put this back, and I'm going to explain why we have to specify our new face filter. Okay, this three plan already set to face filter show all. Now we're in the existing plan. So I always pay attention to this row first, to the face, and then we play with the face filter, because this is the primary ones and this is the secondary ones. Now, so since this is an existing plan, we would want to use the show new face filter. Why? Because when we come here to the manage tab and we go face, which is face, okay, this is where the facing settings will be. On this panel, we will control the project face filters, and also graphic overrides. Okay, we were working on a face filter. I'm going to show you the face filter. Alright, why we choose show new face filter? The show new face filter only shows the new activities, which is shown here by category. So if we check this graphic back under existing face, we only going to show the new activities. That's why we will use the show new, because other columns for the show new is not displayed. Like this one's not displayed and this one's also not displayed. We only need this one. Okay, now just click OK for this. So after we set the facing right here under the existing plan, we're going to go to a demolition plan. On the demolition plan is basically a new construction plan with the different settings. So under this facing information, we will put the face as a new construction, which is right now. It's already right, but it should have a different setting for the face filter. Now we're going to use previous and demo here. And why is that? If we come here, we come back here to the under manage tab and we click under face and face filter. Okay, the show previous and demo filter will show us the existing and the demolished, which is marked by overridden here, and the other columns will not be displayed, like this one and this one is not displayed. So overridden means we will have different colors like gray or a dash that represents the demolished items. So in a demolition plan, our object will shown as overridden, not by category. Okay, I'm just going to click OK here right now. Alright, now we're going to the new construction plan. So, new construction plan is basically the final product that shows the new construction activity and also the existing objects being remained. Now, since it is a new construction phase, then this is already correct. The phase is under new construction, and the filter we will use show complete. And why so complete? When we come over here, face, and then we go face filters. Now the show complete filters will display the new objects and the existing objects marked by category here, and the other ones are not displayed. That's why we choose show complete. Right, I'm just going to click OK here. Now, since we're already done our existing plan, demolition and new construction plan, let's see how they look on a sheet if we're going to put them on a sheet. So this is our final product. We have our existing, demolition, and our new construction. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.